Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to new video from Technary.com. The Amazfit GTS 2 smartwatch with Oxygen Beats AI engine has been launched in India. The deliveries of the smartwatch will start from tomorrow itself. Let us have a look at the features of this device. So we have brought an interesting tech news for you. So we'll talk about the latest smartwatch from Amazfit. It has a 1.65-inch rectangular AMOLED display with 341 ppi and comes with peak brightness of 450 nits. The display comes with ODLC coating which is able to make it scratch resistant and water resistant too. There is Alexa integration as well, wherein you can give voice commands to this watch. There are customizable watch faces and also there is always on feature. As mentioned, it has Oxygen Beats AI engine which is able to measure the blood oxygen saturation. There is personal activity intelligence too. It has 24-hour heart rate tracking and health assessment system. There is stress detection and sleep quality monitoring too. It has 12 built-in sports modes. This device comes with 5 ATM water resistance as well. User can control the music playback of phone from the watch itself. It has 3 GB of local music storage. Amazfit Powerbuds wireless headphones can be connected directly to enjoy music. It has 246 mAh battery capacity which can be used for a week of regular usage as per the brand, though you can use it for 20 days in power saving mode as well. It is available in black color variant and in the future it may be soon available in grey and desert rose color variants. Any guesses for the price? Well, it is having a price of 12,999. So this is the Amazfit GTS 2 smartwatch and we have talked about the features, and this is a newly launched smartwatch from the Amazfit brand. So if you won't like to buy it, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get the best deal and discount. Also, do like this video and comment if you have any queries on it. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and put the bell notifications on for more such interesting tech news and gadget reviews. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.